So this is a brand new pair of covers. So the first thing I'm going to do is just give it a little stretch all the way along to the end to kind of get some of the stiffness out and loosen it up a little bit. Now with the zipper facing up, I'm going to insert the pin into the box. Make sure that's inserted all the way or your zipper will come apart when you zip it. So now that it's inserted, I'm going to zip it just about an inch and rotate the zipper down. You can unzip it a little bit if you need a little more slack. And this is where a lot of people make a mistake. You do not want the zipper to be in the curve like this, in the center of the curve. We're gonna keep rotating the zipper all the way down to where it's almost parallel to the ground. My zipper is all the way back here on the back side of the handlebar. So now we're just gonna gather in small increments, an inch or so at a time, pull it down through the curve, zip it another inch. Again, gathering and zipping inch by inch till we get all the way to the end. And you want to make sure that you keep that zipper, don't let it go back into the curve of the handle because it's going to be very hard. All the way to the end.